Okay.
I did.
Yeah.
I think like that. Okay. Hi guys. Hello everyone. It's my birthday. We're gonna celebrate together.
Oh.
Wow. Coffee because we want to stay up
Macchiato.
until
The
your
morning.
birthday.
Because we still got some stuff to do. Let's check first. Check if the
Saan daw si Jude? Wala po, naglalakwat siya. Sasali yata yun.
Thank po natin siya, guys.
What if hindi na sasali?
we see the comments. How many people?
Here.
100.
Bro, kayo.
Happy birthday, thank you. Alright guys, check the cake. Check out the cake. Shout out to Anna and Maya. Thank you so much for the cake. Woo! With Team Wilson official. Thank you so much. The cake is so big though.
Thank you po sa cake para sa new
Thank you so much.
You read the comments. It's
Oh
your
yeah, I
birthday.
read the comments. Yeah, for the people who are thinking like, where's that? Where's that? Where is he?
vegan.
Yeah, because it's his brother's birthday also. So yeah, happy birthday, Kuya Renzo.
Kuya Renzo.
Happy
Birthday
birthday,
po,
Kuya
Kuya.
Renzo.
Enjoy po kayo.
Oh. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you, Justin. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Can you speak German? Ja, ich kann Deutsch sprechen. Wir können es auch gerne auf Deutsch was sagen. Happy Wilson Day. Yeah, Happy Wilson Day.
Ich liebe dich, Wilson.
Ich liebe dich auch, mein Bruder. Ich liebe dich auch.
Happy birthday,
Oh.
Wilson. Hey.
Okay. I'll turn 24, guys. That's not.
Oh no.
I actually am not happy to celebrate.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. You look young.
Hey.
Hello. Happy birthday, thank you. Birthday kiss from the members. Later.
Can you hear us? Can you hear us?
Oh yeah, wait, I'll check. Hello. Test. Oh yeah. Ich weiß noch, The Voice Kids. Na, bitte.
What do you mean?
Erinnere mich nicht. Erinnere mich bitte nicht. Okay. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Dankeschön.
Bakit?
Ich küsse dein Herz. Danke. Hard for us. I love you, Maki. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Dankeschön.
Nauna ka pa sa my birthday.
Where's that? Where's that
Ang
again?
sarap, sabi ko na sarap dito.
It's good, right?
Vegan.
Yeah. He's in vegan, Ilocos.
Kasi di siya kumakain ng beef.
Okay, so don't you wanna eat the pizza, guys?
Oh.
May chopstick daw tayo.
I have.
But we have forks also. Or you want traditional?
Yeah.
Ang layo ha. Yeah, it's kind of far, right? Wait, can you
Really?
guys-
But can you hear us?
They can hear us. They can
Ay.
hear us. Favorite food? This is my favorite food. Pizza is my favorite food.
Thank you, Dad. It's his birthday.
Oh yeah, thank you, Dad. I love you,
Dad.
Dad. I love you. Woo.
This
Okay.
coffee is so good.
Yeah, the coffee is actually not bad, right?
It's
I
good.
should make coffee more often
Yeah.
for us. Coffee.
It's your barista era.
Kaya tayong pizza.
Yeah, let's eat pizza. We have plates also there. So good.
What?
Thank you. Wait a second. Okay. Wait guys, we're gonna get some pizza. I didn't eat anything. So I'm gonna enjoy now. No, I just woke up, bro.
Now my tummy hurts.
Alles Gute.
Oh, hindi mo na ano
Because I
eh.
didn't eat before.
Ah,
I
it's not
drink.
12 already. It's
Ako
not
nga
12
pala,
yet.
sorry.
Oh, you didn't eat?
And
Ah, let's eat now.
I'm drinking the coffee.
Alles Gute, Wilson aus Deutschland, Happy Birthday. Ah, danke schön. Ich schicke Liebe nach Deutschland. Sheesh.
Kumuha na ako.
Yeah. Wait, so where's the orange big juice pillow? Oh, it's in my room. It's in my room. I didn't brought it here. It is not mine. Oh, switch to that. Long time no see. Oh, we got 300 people now.
Really?
Hello po.
Hello, 300,000
300
people.
I really look like I woke up. You have a cat, maybe?
A cat?
Yeah. Or a beanie? Ah, oh yeah, this one. I think. Check first. Boogie. And
Look like
wait.
there's a...
I know it looks good. That is where is that again?
Vegan.
Figure.
Tapos.
Ano yan? My cup is there. My coffee. I mean my coffee. My coffee.
Make a mess. It's my room.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't.
May spaghetti din.
Wait, so we get super. We get still. Wait, so what's your birthday wish? My birthday wish is actually a comeback.
Yay!
Pang ilang birthday wish natin yun?
A comeback would be the best birthday wish. Johnny Spaghetti.
The best.
Happy birthday to thank you. Willst du noch mal bis man weiß? Küsse dein Herz, küsse deine Augen. Well, I don't like the way I look like.
Ako din eh. Ako din.
I don't like.
TMI? What's your TMI?
Right. I don't know. This is good. Wilson, okay. Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you, Jay.
Minjong Luna
Minjong
is
Nuna!
watching. Minjong Luna!
Manager names?
Yeah.
Manager name!
No, Nuna.
Manager, manager Nuna.
Minjong
Luna.
Ajuma.
Ajuma!
Worship ko
Ajuma.
yun.
Minjong Ajuma! Ajunais.
Ajuma. Pengi pizza.
Minjong Amma.
Is she really watching?
Hmm.
Wilson, how was your day? My day today was very exhausting because me and Elle we tried to make a TikTok, but it's way too hot. It's really hot in the Philippines, so
And I think we're too tired from yesterday.
yeah, yesterday was really, really tiring. But
it-
today,
we will still try tomorrow.
yeah,
If
tomorrow.
he has time.
Tomorrow we're gonna try one more time.
Are you excited for your billboard?
Oh yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna check it out. Wilson, kannst du ein Herz Hand machen? Will das als Profilbild nehmen? Okay. Oder like, oder machst du? Oh, they want me to do a heart. But I don't look so good today. Even though, we were sweating so much also.
Earlier?
Yeah. We all look like girls.
Di ba si Joe?
Parang joke.
Guys, idol po kami. Idol po kami.
Hindi mo kami matambay na nag-uusap-usap na.
Dito po kayo. Idols po kami, idols. P-pop idols.
Okay, wait. You can Deutsch. Also ich kann Deutsch. Die lernen gerade Deutsch. Also ich bringe den Deutsch bei. Was hast du zum Geburtstag bekommen? Leider habe ich noch gar nichts bekommen zu meinem Geburtstag.
Yes, yes.
Ja.
Hello po,
Oh.
Melanie.
Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you, Ellen. This is Racer. It's not a Racer.
Oh, that's him.
Is that
Ay,
Racer?
be?
Yeah,
Or is
I
it
think.
Racer?
Is that Racer? Ah, it is Racer.
Yeah.
Oo nga. Ay,
Hi,
Racer.
Racer, are you in your
Ingat
room?
kayo, ingat.
Ingat.
Come
Ingat
if you're in
kayo
your
dyan.
room.
No!
Why?
He's in the West Philippine Sea.
Ah, yeah, true.
Yeah.
Palawan.
Okay. Way!
They just finished. I was watching their live stream.
Oh, really?
Congratulations, Horizon.
Die sollen alle Hallo sagen. Okay, everyone say Hallo.
Hallo.
Hallo, meine Freunde.
Hallo, meine Freunde.
Alam mo ng finder.
Freunde.
Finder.
Yeah.
Ano sabi? Ano sabi niya?
You said find it. That means my enemies. Hello, my enemies. Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you, Gibbs. Thank you, Nii. Oppa is live.
Hello po.
Pa!
Oppa. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, by the way, du bist mein Bias. Ich liebe dich. Dankeschön. Ich küsse deine Augen, dein Herz.
I
Alles.
think all the people who voted for us and
Ja.
is birthday.
Ah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you po sa mga
Nathan.
nagboboto sa Billboard.
New Days, we love you.
Sa mga naboto po sa P-pop
New Days,
stage.
you're the
Thank
best.
you po.
New Days forever.
Thank you.
Solid.
Panotis po. Hello, Dinosaur. Where's that? That is,
In vegan.
he's vegan now.
We're just,
na.
we're just waiting for him to request para umakyat.
Kumakain po sila. Nagano daw siya skincare.
You didn't finish your pizza. Yeah. Bakit
Yes,
W
yun
na?
nga pala.
Ano yan?
W.
Because at the moment we're like this is like
The water.
budget friendly.
Budget friendly.
Budget friendly.
Vegan.
Wait, let me try one more time.
Try it. Try it.
Bakit ganun?
Try it.
Haluin ko na ba?
Bakit ganon?
Ikaw lang.
Wait, let me try one more time. Let me try.
Para mo ano?
Let me try. Where's my phone? Ah, my phone is... wait.
Tinry niya?
Oo.
Wait.
Just close the door.
Why, wala?
Try niyo ni Jom yung pepero. Sa tingin ko papayag yan.
Ayoko. Ako ayoko.
Pepero?
Oh.
Kasi bumili siya ng pepero.
Yeah, we're gonna play the game.
What?
Wow! Why?
No.
It's my birthday!
Oh! Ano naman?
You do it by yourself.
Do it by yourself.
What? How can I play by myself? You're first. You're first with me. Why?
No.
lang? Spaghetti.
Ah,
Oh,
talaga?
spaghetti.
Joke lang.
You're spaghetti.
Nah.
Okay, later. We won't play this game. Okay. Oh, we're so long.
Medium layag.
I wanted to drink
Coffee.
my coffee.
But I feel like this is not double.
I feel like this is for Maki.
Yeah.
Tagal na nun ah. Nasiro pa.
It's October, bro. October.
Di bago yun? Pinili ni ate. Pagkita ko nang papalubo siya sa pantry. Thank you po ate Jenny.
Thank you ate Jenny.
Thank you
With
po.
the best.
May budget.
Ang bilis na ubos ang pizza.
How is it?
Our pizza
Done?
almost. Our pizza is the best food. Pero, oh no, it's good.
There's tissue. That is in vegan po.
Everyone asking for that. Yeah. Sana.
Yeah. How does... How does
Nandiyan ka na ba, Tad?
it feel? Oh.
Labata siya.
How does it feel na mag-perform sa biggest arena? Oh, it was crazy!
It was crazy.
Which arena?
Hmm?
Which one?
Philippine Arena.
Ah!
Summer
Oh, that was
Blast.
cool. But I was very uncomfortable with our outfits.
Yeah.
It was really
Our-
out of all the outfits we ever had performed with, I think
It
this
was,
was the,
yeah, that's
the
not
worst.
not the worst.
Oh, really?
Because it's just not new Eid.
Oh.
But I feel like if Horizon were to wear it, it will fit. It's just not new Eid. But we have to follow some, rules.
Some rules.
So yeah. Hello, Lian! Kamusta na?
Bye, happy birthday. Thank you.
Ayan, nandito na daw si Tad.
Oh, that is here?
Tad is requesting.
Why is he requesting?
Hindi ko
Yeah.
alam paano.
Okay.
Ay, yun.
Our
Mag-send ka muna ng gift.
How do I decline? How do I decline?
no! Gaganon ba tayo?
Eh, mag-send muna siya
Diba,
ng
ano siya? may-
Here, I got it.
Oo, dadalo.
Ah, no.
Pero, kasya pa rin tayo niya.
Here. Is that him?
Tad,
I think it is.
what if it's not?
Dad?
Video ko lang.
What's up, my boys? Miss you, Wilson. Love you.
Love you more.
Vegan tour, vegan tour.
Wait lang, nasa hotel na ako. Kita niyo ba ako?
How do I change it?
Dad, yung cost ng pizza namin.
I'm an
Walang
amateur.
pakain.
Wala, walang kakain yan.
Oo nga. Tatabi namin for you.
Mga lintek. Alaska boy. Wait lang, nasan kayo? Yun!
no!
Paano ba to? Ba't ang laki ko?
Okay lang yan, okay
Guys,
lang.
pasensya na kayo.
Yung ano.
Mabagal wifi dito sa Dubai.
Okay. Expand.
There!
Yan.
Ayan.
No!
Sorry guys, I'm an amateur here.
Guys, paano ba to?
How do half? How do you do half?
Video call niya na tayo.
Huwag ka maingay kuya. 다들 어딨어? 나 비간에 있어요.
Andito si Minjong.
Oo nga, nakita ko.
I don't know.
Paano ba to? Hindi kasi tayo sanay mag-live eh.
Stand? Stand or camera?
Hello? Guys, ang laki ko. Wait lang.
I don't know how to.
Sige, wag na. Kamusta naman kayo mga anak? Ay, oo eh. Babalik talaga ako dyan. Happy birthday, love.
Thank you, love.
Malamig dyan, Dad, malamig dyan.
Pre. Negative 2.
Uy, ang apa ko. Ay, totoo ba?
Napakainit ka mo. Tagalog challenge with Wilson daw. Tagalog only challenge.
Sige.
Kommt ihr mal nach Deutschland?
1 to 10, 1 to 10.
We taught you this.
Oh, I gotta answer.
Answer first.
Yesterday, yeah. Yesterday.
Okay. Hanggang matapos live talaga. Imposible. Imposible talaga. I'm going to thank you to Dr. Kobe.
Alam pa.
Jenny! Like Jenny!
Really? Uy, pengi ice cream.
Iced macchiato.
Pengi ice cream, guys.
May pera ka, dad.
May?
Dad, may pera ka.
Ano, dinosaur?
May pera? Wala tayong pera, guys.
Ikaw, may pera ka.
Bakit?
Bili ka.
Giving parang may OFW kami.
May afam. Pero nandun yung afam eh.
Hindi abang.
Hmm. Masarap yung pizza.
Masarap.
Local sa Sprite.
Mas masarap si Wilson.
Yay!
Yay!
Masarap si Jom.
Yay! No. Si John mataas yung libido.
No! Eh, kasi si Tay po yun, wag niyo pinidamay yung buong New Eden.
Ano ba yun?
Ano ba yun?
Di niya po alam kung ano yun, sorry po guys.
The views and opinions of Tad? Ano ba yun?
Huwag mo na ulitin. Huwag niyo po paposin, kipaposin po yung live na to. Ulit niyo na lang.
What does it mean?
It's no.
Ayaw mo na mag-
Di ba ano lang yun?
What'd you say?
How's your birthday tomorrow?
I think good. I think.
I hope it's good.
Ano mas gusto nyo? Jollibee.
Jollibee, sorry. Pero what if magsabi ng McDo na, guys, pwede mo kunin.
Makdo pa!
Wala, paano yun?
Magbabago naman isip natin.
Depende po sa offer.
Magbabago yung palasa na.
Sige, ako magbabasa ng comment. Kain lang kayo dyan.
With some berries.
Kumain ka na, Tad.
With some berries.
Mm-mm.
Soy saging. Pwede saging ko. Ang compliment ng version. Vielleicht, Mrs. Yavin Villa.
Matutunan ka tayo itong ice cream.
Pero wala tayong kutsa.
Palaman nyo sa pizza. Ano na lang yung...
Sige, try mo muna. Patingin na.
Hindi yun doon.
Wie viele Deutsche haben wir jetzt hier? Wie viele Deutsche? Lass mal alle rein.
Lagay ko muna sa ref.
Kasha ba?
Bakit sa freezer? Sabi ni Mindong, kung kumain ka
Oh.
daw ang taas.
Rinig ba? Nakita ko lang kayong kumakain. Masaya na ako mga anak.
Oh, danke. Okay, ein paar Deutsche haben wir hier.
Sa...
Wow. Ang galing, para tayo merong ano?
Folgst mir auf meinem Privat-Account.
Para tayong...
Werde da morgen live gehen. Übermorgen auch auf einem.
Bakit?
Deliver lang sa...
Hallo Lea, mir geht's gut. Wie geht's dir? Alles Gute, Wilson. Danke für dir. Dankeschön. Wilson, ikaw bias ng mama ko. Happy birthday sa'yo. I love you, mama! Mahal kita, mama!
Labi, tita.
Wie heißt du dort? Ich heiße da whatever Wilson. Naju, hello Naju.
Najro, nice.
Naju, nice. Wilson, Pepero game. They wanna see the Pepero game already.
Because
Sige, Pepero game kayo.
you told me.
Pepero game.
L versus
Don't worry.
Maki, Wilson versus Jom.
We'll play the game. All of the members. Why? No. Why? Wilson.
Pepero game, dali.
Because there is camera. When there's no camera, we can do it.
Ang dami sir, ang dami sir. Guys, is it too far, the camera? Is it weird for you guys, or is it okay?
Perfect. You think it's years old?
Yeah, but maybe, I don't know.
Because if we put it near, some members will have to see.
Der gucken sich fancy aus. Ja, der gucken sich behindert fancy gut aus. Behindert.
Tell us if it's something about us.
No, I'm not saying anything bad. Nicht so alles Gute für den Geburtstag. Danke, danke. Boah, geiler Kuchen, geil, kranker Kuchen. Geiler.
Wilson,
Geht das später echt essen mit dem. In 30 Minuten. Ja, das, wieder nehmen.
sabi ni Wei, ano daw, Pepero game daw, Wilson versus Tad.
No?
Nga.
Halika dito! Halika dito!
Uwi ka ngayon
Uwi
na.
ka na!
Huwag na magpepe. Pero rekta na.
Wilson, what coffee did you make for the members? Oh, really special coffee. I really put my love and so much love into the coffee.
Marunong siyang gumawa ng caramel macchiato.
I added some, I mixed it with milk. Yakult. Yeah. And then I
How many pumps? And how many shots of espresso?
only one. One was enough.
Oh yeah.
Budget friendly. And
No, this is not
secret,
budget.
and then one secret ingredient. One secret ingredient, guys. One secret ingredient. Really, it's really good. Hey.
Stop it.
How's the coffee?
Sarap.
Ng kape.
Gusto niyo Spanish Swiss food? Deutsch, English, Tagalog, Filipino, ano sin? Korean?
At malakas ba yung chips ko? Sorry.
Wala to sa akin. Kaya ka rin. Manila Science Student.
Ito siya. Siya yan siya.
Pag science,
Bakit?
ako lagi.
Science student. Siya po. Science high school yan siya. Hey. Ito guys. Nakagraduate siya habang nagiging idol siya. Hey!
Panis.
Aray ko, kinulot niya ako! Yun ang ano natin, makina natin. Ang pag-aaral at pagiging idol.
The best idol.
You should try making
Babalik na po ako
Spanish
mag-aaral.
latte. Easy lang yun. Okay, I will try to
Tama.
make Spanish latte. Yo, si Dad.
No, akala ko ba sa ilong? Ay, nagkakataon. Saan sa amin?
We found it here, gnarly. How do you guys like gnarly?
I like Nard. At first, I
Love gnarly.
Malakas sila, malakas.
At first, I didn't like
like the song, but it grew on me.
After hearing it a couple more times, it's good, man. So komisch, Deutsch in so einem Live zu hören. Ja, das stimmt. Ich glaube, wir sind die Einzigen, die so einen Livestream haben. Tomorrow I have a presentation about you guys! Oh,
Really?
For real!
So cool.
You should record it.
Presentation daw.
Yeah,
PowerPoint.
Nagpa-present na.
Oh,
Oh, sige, i-judge mo ako.
Wala akong sinasabi.
yeah. You should record it. Send it to us.
Anong presentation?
Bias.
Tapos naka-ano pala yun, no? May...
Kay
white
Tito
na
Maki.
dito. Ano ang nag-report?
Anong Tito Maki?
Hello, panelists. Good morning, panelists. That's I bias. You're bias.
Ay, ako siya. Si Daniela ba yun? Tsaka si...
Si Manyong.
Yung kulay orange.
Si ano, Megan.
Yan. Megan. Daniela and Megan.
Ako naman. Ito na. Si Ate Sophia, tsaka ano.
Isa yung ate mo.
Sophia!
Ate niya.
Let's go to Pansol soon. Tsaka si ano,
Ate mo, Nak.
si Lara.
Kommt nach Stuttgart in Deutschland. We want us to come to Stuttgart. Stuttgart. I don't even know Stuttgart is. That's a city in Germany.
May nag-comment, John Paturo Statistics.
We have to talk to our boss.
May ano tan?
We talk to our boss and then
Yeah,
request
we talk
if we can go there.
Asan ba? Yung comment.
Germany? Can't you not mention comment?
Nak?
Wala na yung comment.
We can also go.
Comment kasi hindi nagpapakita.
Wala big...
Ano the fuck is Tagalog English? Comment.
Oh! We're gonna watch their concert! Oh! Day 2!
Abangan niyo po. Abangan niyo kami sa ano.
Later.
Pwede na bang sabihin yun?
Pwede naman, manunod
Ano?
ka naman na. Saan tayo magpa-perform?
Sabi mo.
Malay mo.
Magpa-perform.
Hey! Sample nga.
Hey.
Lumaning beat pagtatag pa yun.
Malay mo.
Ah,
Sarap.
Wow, my cat.
thank you.
It's like the first time. It's like the first time in
Nasa Mexico pala si Tas.
Hey. Pam-pam.
Mexicano. Uy, si Lechi din daw nasa day 2.
Oo.
Hey!
Hey, see you there.
Nakita na ba natin si Lexi ever?
Oo, dun sa CSE ng yun.
Ay, makipag siya doon, wala ha.
Ano daw? Pag yun, wala ah.
Yung
Comment down below, Lexi.
yung red and black na costume.
Ah,
Sa Lux Group.
Ay, sa OneCast?
Wilson, how's the Mickey photo card not being revived? Oh yeah, I got it. I put it in my bag. But I don't have a...
Lagyan.
Yeah. I can't cancel. Thank you.
ano si Tag?
Ah, hindi.
Heartbroken.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Maki,
Ay,
are
ano din?
you heartbroken?
Patingin ng
Oh,
heart.
pre.
Heart!
No, Maki is good. Maki's fine.
Inom ka lang ng kape, ano nga.
Some coffee.
Ubus na eh.
Oh, really?
Oo,
Oh,
ubus
tell
na.
me, I can
Yung number one, copy lover yan si Maki eh.
I refill it. Wait,
Coffee lover.
Copy lover yan eh.
Ubus na kapag pre.
Kape ba yan?
Coffee lover din tayo. Maxi.
Kape ba yan ininom niya?
Maxi
Parang
ano,
ito
sa
lang
company.
yung... Alin? Ah, nakabawi man lang eh, no?
Pagbalik sa baba, may ano.
Ubus na. May dami yung binulsing.
Ano yun, ano yun?
Pag ganun
Diba dati?
Maki, you want grape or
Pwede
yucky?
na tayo sa may ano.
Grape?
Sa may kitchen.
Pwede na tayo sa taas. Yung kapag ano, kapag mag-English class tayo. Oh.
Ano?
Tatakot ka na ng maraming maximum.
Ah. Number one si Jom.
Dalawang ano niya, bulsa, puno.
Kaya magtataka yung mga...
Tapos
Kala nyo naman.
mag-hoodie pa yan para may extra bulsa.
Magtataka yung mga Korean. Oh, ba't wala ng kape dito?
Ate Maxine?
Yeah.
Parang hindi ko gumana na.
Support na rin eh.
Unti-unti lang, unti-unti lang.
Ako may kaping bravo naman ako sa ano, dorm. Pwede ko siya.
Doon pa ako nag-inom. Tapos naiinis ako pag wala ng baso.
Okay lang yun, wala namang umiinom nun.
Oo nga.
Basta din pa.
Tapos na mag-birthday si Wilson.
Wala po si birthday boy, nagbabarista lang.
Yeah, wait. Hold on.
Ano tinitimpla ni Barista Boy?
Yeah.
Ngayon, ano naman, matcha latte.
Matcha this time.
Eh.
Na may soda.
Tips na gano'n. May chunks.
Tad, same hair sa horse. Sige.
Ano?
Parehas daw kami ng buhok ng horse.
Oh shit.
Uy!
Harley.
Gnarly.
Nar.
Bakit ito gnarly?
Galing niya talaga. Favorite kasi namin talaga yun eh.
Pag kayo nabash.
Sorry. Pag kami nabash, hindi ka kasama.
Una na siya.
Nabash na ako, guys.
Una na siya mabash.
Oh yeah, he said, enorme!
Sorry na kasi.
Enorme!
Guys, hindi ko talaga alam yun, so sorry.
Sorry po.
Okay lang po yun, ansong naman yun eh.
Na-LSS lang po talaga ako. Ito na po yung public apology.
Kung pag sinasabi mo sa kakausap mo.
Grabe, parang video call lang ah.
Parang may brush na ako dyan.
Are you alright?
Kasi mo,
Kinikilig kasi siya, guys. Kinikilig. Hindi siya broken. Ito ang patunay, nagbablush siya. Kung mamimili lang po tayo sa comments kung sino.
ano lang po yan,
siyang
filter lang
kinikilig.
yan, filter.
Bakit na pag-ahalataan ka?
Gago. Kailangan mag-blush din tayo. Tignan mo, gagawin na siya, o nanginginig na yan siya, mami. Nagpapalpitate na siya.
Nanginit ko nga.
Wait! Nandun mo ako sa Alden. Naalala ko si Ed.
Post ka nga daw, Alden.
Ano ba yun?
Wilson has to mal...
Elden.
Wilson has
Oh, gawin mo! Ano ako lang?
Ano yun?
Alden post. Gawin mo.
Ate, wala hindi auspaiten das.
Ano muna yun, malungkot muna. Sabay-sabay tayo, sabay-sabay. Malungkot muna, malungkot.
You do sad face here, and then when you go here, you put out your tongue.
I get that. Nah, I can't.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo lang, kaya mo.
Ayan!
Anong credit?
But the last minute, right? 1 million lost. Yeah, it's the last bit.
Number 3 mo.
Okay,
Try the cake. And this is the cake.
we can do it now.
And no. This is the cake. You
Oh,
can eat the flowers.
Mag-away.
Ano ka pa eh?
Mas lasang may spaghetti konting.
Ito mo eh, ngayon na lang ulit nakakain ng ganyan.
Bro, the arme. Yeah, ich bin der Arme. Ich bin der Arme.
Malakas tong kaping to.
Wilson parang kang si Jaren.
Hey!
Jaren is like me.
Mas nauna po siya, guys, Dream Maker.
Masarap yung cake? Yes, sobra. But we didn't try it.
Masarap yan.
Oh, you tried it?
Only the icing.
Ah, the icing, okay. Yeah, okay, in 10 minutes we will eat the cake. I will make my wish. 200k stream na yung goals finally! Woo!
Yay! We need a new song na.
Streaming! Kasi, baka yung i-stream. Ghost lang talaga, Deja Vu.
I'm gonna be so happy when we can finally perform
What if
Crush.
tomorrow?
yeah, we can finally perform Crash in front of him.
What crash?
Yung ano,
Crush kita.
Crush kita. Di mo ba?
I want the comeback. Also want the
We
comeback.
also want
We also want the comeback. We also want really.
a crash like this.
Ayan na.
What Chinese question, boy?
What if hindi pala yun yung comeback natin?
Hindi.
Kailangan huwag yun na po i-repost.
Ganun na lang yung... Na, 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 na.
Hey!
Ganyan.
You're my mama!
Yun na lang, yun na lang.
Beautiful one! Oh, my mama!
Baby pa yun.
Sa Mother's Day na lang natin nilabas yan. Next year.
Comeback spoiler.
Pero meron naman yun, di ba?
Iyak eh. Iyak yung iba. Iyak yung mga members eh.
Kick move, and some random rap day, and some back and back and back.
Stop. What did you watching? He was so nice.
Oh yeah, I mean, we were just singing. We were just singing the song.
Drink your coffee. Drink your coffee.
The song is good.
We're
Wala
already
na yung mga
done.
pakisabi.
Just
How
not.
much you have? Oh, you did.
No,
Ay,
I'm
nandito sila
drinking
sa
my
Pilipinas.
coffee. Early? No, they went back.
Oo, pero pumunta sila dito.
Kasi yung one
Ganito
person.
yung
Danke
guys,
schön. Danke, Emmy.
There's nothing more
Danke, Emmy.
precious to me.
Emmy.
Ang title nun?
Danke, Emmy. Sibilis.
Mama.
Hindi.
We meet again?
Beautiful one.
Beautiful one.
Beautiful one. I actually like the first one.
The verse?
Your verse. Am I? Even in the darkest
Maganda nga
morning,
yan.
you brought it
Ah,
the
yeah, it was
most
a bit-
delicious food.
Yeah. But I was not a fan of the lyrics.
Delicious food.
May ano pa ako nun, MP3.
Hey, sana meron tayong video.
Oh, friends wish you happy birthday. Oh, thank you. How do you say thank you?
Yes,
Ah, shit,
Ah,
shit,
shit.
Shit.
shit, 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 shit.
We're some consulting members was Deutsches Werbung. Okay, do you guys want to learn something in German? What do you want to say?
Trust.
Or say what I taught you already. But be careful what you say. Okay?
Ich liebe dich, mga buta.
Okay, good. Next.
Yeah, that's the only word I know. Stabil ma bruda.
Okay, good.
Ah, ubos ka na. Wala ka na masabi. Talo ka.
Meron ba?
Ano? Meron na.
Oh, what else?
Something Freud.
Austria.
Eh.
Bakit? German yun ah.
German. Hamburger.
Bakit?
Hamburger.
Is that so sweet?
8 minutes. 8 minutes na lang, guys.
Hamburger? No.
Iba yan.
No. That's not. Is this
Ah, I know another
hamburger?
German word.
Hamburger, nice.
Tawag na baka masabihan ba kami.
Ako may alam akong German word. Schnitz.
Oh, but it's Austrian food. Is it German?
Naririnig ba nila ako?
I have you tried?
No.
That's really good.
Ikaw, Tad, meron ka, Tad?
Guys, hindi nila ako.
Tigil na tayo. Mamaya ano na tayo.
That-
Typing ka na dyan.
Be careful, please.
Miss ko na kayo. May nagsabi patitan.
Wala na! That was a funny comment. Wait. And then, I hear this there.
Ano nga yung burger sa inyo? Tawag.
Burger. Also, bro.
Hindi, yung sabi mo na kain mo Tad.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Yung binibili nyo.
Schnitzel. Schnitzel nga yun.
Ayun.
Doy na.
Meron pa ako. Good kay Lord eh.
Good
Ah,
enough.
kape.
That means good people. Good people.
Kapehan yun sa Korea eh. No?
But that one comment, it still starts.
We're not gonna read it. Bahala ka dyan.
Sabi ni Annex. Lasing na si Maki, namumula na. Baka mainit lang, guys.
Kasi kakanta
Wala
pa
lasing
siya ng
dito.
Namumula
Wala lasing.
by Maki. Katay mo na.
Namumula.
Ay.
Uy, guys, nandito si
Kenshin!
Kenshin.
Kenshin. Fighting Kenshin.
Alam mo na, Kenshin.
Hi, Kenshin.
Wag na. Wag ka na.
Wag na, wag na.
Promise,
Wag na, wag na.
Kenshin.
Knock.
Alam pa na lang iba, alam pa
Good
na lang
night,
iba.
Doc.
Hindi na nga namin nakagilap, Kenshin.
Wilson.
Good night, Doc Hansel.
Danish Resta.
Roland. Alam niyo ba guys, si Kenshin, sumali din siya ng Dream Maker dati. Yes.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I think. Magkasip
Oh,
kayo
with
ng
me.
batch.
I think I saw him.
Yeah.
Balik pa
Kasi
siya.
ako eh.
Magka-group tayo, Wilson.
Shut up, shut up. Ayun na si Marcus.
Oo.
Second one is really.
What? Because I don't wanna,
You don't like the coffee? I mean?
No, because I can't sleep later if I drink coffee.
Ah, yeah, true. But I put.
Ano oras ka naman na tumutulog? Alas 4 na lang
Kaya
umaga.
maingay!
Galit na naman si Maki.
Mo nga. Gusto mo talaga yung coffee?
Masarap na yan. Nasang lasa ko yung espresso.
There's the living member.
Ano?
I don't know. Something not. Ehrlich gesagt, mein Lieblingsmember hier in der Gruppe. Nein, das kann ich nicht sagen. Sonst jemand herausfinden und dann sagt es jemand.
What he said.
I saw my face! Because the coffee is under.
Under?
Yeah!
What do you mean under?
So, it's really bitter.
Almost done? I don't know. It's still
Next
hot.
time you add more sugar.
More sugar. You don't like bitter? But
Yeah.
it's stronger. It's better.
Baka hindi mo kasi nalo eh. Nasa ilalim yung asukal niya.
I forgot to mix ours.
Pero hindi ko naman nalitawa. Hindi naman Marte.
Okay.
Guys.
There's the living capable. Who's your favorite?
El, ba't ganun mainumin yung coffee?
He's Rise. Wise. The Seraphim. Eugene.
Mein Lieblingsgruppe ist BTS. Next noch.
Rice.
Oh, Rice.
Rice. Medyo TXT. Jeans.
Saka ano?
That's the same.
2 in 1.
21.
What was it?
Mas may
Mas may tilo.
Lahat ng sinabi nila.
Ah, okay. Okay. Cool. Cool.
Uy, hindi mo nabanggit yung idol mo may gayak.
Nawala na.
Si Megayak.
May gayak po.
Hindi kaya. Eh, yun dyan.
May gayak. May gayak.
Ayaw mo rin ito. I don't think it's what.
May gayak yun.
Ah!
May gayak.
Wait, guys. Remember my Eichhörnchen was
Eichhörnchen.
Okay, it's okay.
Again.
Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen.
Don't say sh. Eich.
Eichhörnchen.
Ice.
Wait, what's the last?
Eich.
Eichhörnchen.
Hörnchen.
Shit.
Eich.
Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen. Yeah.
Ano meaning nun?
Eichhörnchen.
Word.
Oh, bro.
Animal. But it's a hard word actually to say.
Ano yung I love you? Schlibidish. Schlibidish ay Yonshin.
I love you, Speed.
I love you, squirrel.
Hindi ba yun I love you, girl?
Squirrel! Squirrel.
Ah, square top girl. Kala ko girl yung... Ay, Jones yun. Squirrel pala.
Guys, 1 minute na lang.
1 minute, guys! 1 minute! We didn't even...
Wow!
The candle. Yeah, do you have the lighter?
There, there.
May lighter.
Ate Jenny yan.
Wait.
Sige.
I hate these kind of lighters. I like the one with the long, so that I don't know.
Ah, pwede yan.
Ah.
Ah, yung may ano, may parang pag...
Yeah. I don't know. Ano? Hold it, Max.
Ilang taon ka na, Wilson?
I am 35.
Oh no.
Hold it, Max.
Hello, may Chinese na comment.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Mamamando ka. Bakit ka sa amin? Birthday mo na?
Yeah!
Happy birthday mo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Wilson.
Wish ka muna, tapos
Make a wish.
Okay. But you already know my wish.
But make it louder so the universe can hear it.
Okay, please. I wish for a comeback. This one.
Wait, make it louder so the universe
I
will
wish-
hear it.
I wish for a new it comeback
When?
tomorrow.
Hey!
Okay, wait.
Parinig mo pa.
Whoa! Happy birthday, Wilson!
Wilson!
Okay, Pepper game.
No.
Let's go.
Let's end this live. Thank you guys for
No,
watching.
no.
Happy birthday, Wilson!
Pepero game, Will Jumper,
Oh,
Maki.
But we already kissed him nung CSE niya. Post
we
ko na
don't-
lang
we
po
don't
yung video.
We don't kiss. Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you. Zum guten Film. Danke, Nadja. Danke, Nadja. Pengi pizza, no. joke. Is this the pizza? Okay. This is right that Wilson can speak German. Yes, I can speak German.
Because he is German, he's Austrian.
So yung song. What's euer Lieblingssong von eurer liebsten Gruppe? The favorite song of your favorite group. What's your favorite song?
Ako, Crush. Talk Sexy.
Crush. Me too, Crush. And I also like Talk Sexy. But I think my all-time favorite K-pop, Blood, Sweat and Tears, BTS. I think. Or I answered in English, but the question was in German. Look, that's how confused I am. Kailan kayo gagawa ng channel sa IG? We already have a channel on IG.
Ay,
No,
hindi.
that,
Ano yun?
that broadcast channel.
Our broadcast channel. Oh, is that a thing?
Yeah.
Parang bubble ba yun?
Para siyang group chat for na
Fans.
naka-public.
Parang yung sa Monkey pa ito. Pero sa bubble ata yun eh.
Ano daw? Alam niyo.
Yung sa Monkey pa ito,
We had ice cream, right?
Yeah.
The ice cream.
Let's eat the ice cream. Oh, or we could try your cake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Shake muna.
Oh, we got so much food now. Okay.
Ice cream cake.
Can you speak German?
Ice
Ja,
cream,
ich kann Deutsch sprechen.
Masarap yung bulaklak na yan. Try mo.
Is that still there? No. Okay, let's go.
Let's
Next cup.
eat.
Wait,
No.
Next cup.
Let's just drink Coke.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I can't take coffee anymore.
Why?
I won't be able to sleep.
Really?
O
Yeah,
baka magano ka.
let's
Are you
just
done?
do Coke.
Hindi pa.
Okay.
Yeah, and take a...
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I think it's muss weg. Viel Spaß noch. Pass auf dich auf. Tschüss. We're out. We're gonna drink Coca-Cola, but it's not healthy though.
It's 0 sugar.
Let's eat your cake. Let's go.
Kaya
Dad,
continue.
You got.
dahil mahal ka namin, Dad. Andiyan ka pa ba?
Yung siya. Look.
With some, do you have any plans for your birthday?
Nakikita mo, Dad?
Gonna pick up my parents and my brothers at the airport tomorrow.
Andiyan ka ba, Dad?
And I will also post
Tatlo
tomorrow.
yan para I love you. Hey, we love you. Cross.
Yum.
Yo!
But he loves eating our crust.
Oh no, we're stuck.
Kinain si Crust.
Umutol ka?
No.
Sino mo share?
You got it.
Si LO210.
Did I cut it or you?
Tad.
How should I cut it?
Ako talaga?
Or how should I cut it?
Kwento ako, Dad. Roommates tayo sa Korea.
May kimchi.
Ano ba gagawin?
I want to take a picture of the cake.
Oo, picture.
What's not the story? I didn't take a picture
Do you want to take a picture with it?
with it. Ah, yeah, true. Yung paa mo dyan. May tissue pa dito. Ah, yeah, nice.
Again.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, thank you. Drop na lang later.
Bro.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna cut it. How should I cut it like this?
Or the yago.
Pabilog.
Huh?
The yago. So it's
Yeah,
like,
not like this.
Pa-diamond na lang, diamond.
like a mango.
Okay, I'll just start from here. Oh, wait. I'm from the middle.
Wait, but your knife is upside down.
Oh, yeah, right.
Ipatusay ka ba?
Galing naman lang.
Excited for the
Kinakain yan, tawag.
Oh, really? Okay. I'm not good at
Pero ito talaga yung mga pang birthday
Oo.
yung pang 7th birthday.
Damn, but that cake looks so nice though. Look
Yeah.
at this. It's so big.
No, I'm favorite.
Yeah! Yeah!
What the heck? It's rainbow!
Totoo?
For real?
Sa loob.
Okay, now here, okay?
Puro kaba na naman kayo, guys.
Oh,
Yeah, you can do it! I'm gonna eat it.
eat it.
Parang laki.
Why laughing,
Tigas
fam?
pala!
Why laughing, fam? Why laughing, fam?
Palainin mo na lang.
Tigas pala ng flower.
Nothing, fam. Okay.
May sound yung potential.
Should I cut it here also? Or
Oh, ito lang, ito lang.
Before, right? Okay.
No, that's dangerous.
You know what?
Oh, it's like merengue.
Can I?
Yeah.
But make sure you're not eating the sharp part.
Oh, that's so sweet.
But it's good.
Oh.
Tapos may ice cream pa.
That's tissue.
Tissue.
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat. What is that?
Let's eat.
Let's see. Are the people still there? Oh yeah, everyone's there. Okay. Let's eat.
But I feel like
Wala
we
kayo.
should still cut
Kayo.
half.
Ah yeah, right. This is
It's
Oo,
big.
malaki.
malaki yung
Yung cake mo, pre.
malaki yung cake
Laki yung cake mo. Feeling ko ito yung hindi nakakain.
Nakakain din niya.
Ay, oo nga.
Malaki
Ano to?
Gago yung inipin mo. Gaki.
Baka nga pati ito eh. Kayo nga, nakakain din.
Oh, sorry guys. Hey, oh no, don't do that.
Yung nga, wag.
Because we should promote our song. So, Ghost,
Yeah.
I'm not a
Not because of us
ghost.
typical.
Let's eat!
Let's eat it, guys! Woo! cake. Okay, I have to. No, I still need tissues. I still need the knife, right? Pass it. Pass it down.
Pero may, yung door pwede namin.
Are you still watching? Are you guys still there? Okay, you guys are still there.
Hindi ka nakukuha ng bago?
Okay. Ang laki naman yung cake.
Pengi ako.
Oh! It's marble!
I love you, brother. Okay.
Pengi ako. Naririnig niyo ba ako?
Yes.
Yorobun.
Whoa! It's so big!
Pengi ako.
It's different naman.
Because he wants to taste the spaghetti.
Really? I thought you were ready.
Sa birthday.
Oh no, sorry, Maki.
Oh!
Okay lang.
It tastes like...
Wait.
Oh! It's the yum! It's the yum!
Oh wait.
Thank you to whoever gave the cake.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Maya.
Thank you po.
Okay. Oh, it's a really, even though I cut it like that, it's still big.
Oh, yeah.
After all that, it's still big.
Wilson yan eh.
Okay. Are these people still there? You guys, you still here?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Cool. Wow. Ano papabalance yung chocolate?
Talaga naman kasi yung sweetness nung kasi nung icing and the chocolate, the bitterness of the chocolate really balances out the talaga.
Wow.
Guten Appetit!
Oh, guten Appetit is right. Dankeschön.
German sarap.
That means eat well. Wow, it's really good.
Nagkikrave ako, guys. Nagkikrave ako.
Remember my sister Sunny from the bus?
Masarap siguro ito kung nakatupper.
Her name is Sunny. Sunny?
Yung takeaway.
Pangit malaki na.
Mas masarap to kung may katabing spaghetti.
Diba? It's
Tapos magkalado na ako.
Yung sa The Voice Germany, German language.
How about you sing in English? Wait lang guys. It's like so that we're not a robot. Oh, first try.
German language yung sa German. Pero yung mga coaches Pinoy.
The coaches are German singer, German singer.
Sila Sarah G pa din.
Si Noel Cabango nandun.
No. Nasa West Philippines siya. Ang tawa.
What's an update sa IG? Okay. Later. Happy birthday. Okay, let's chill later. Mamaya na lang, okay? Chill muna tayo. Kain muna tayo ng cake. Ang sarap ng cake. Kasi sarap. Sarap. Willst du hast Deutscher? Ja, ich höre Deutscher. Aber nicht so viele. Bro, Deutscher ist das Beste. Alle Leute tun mir leid, die kein Deutscher können. Die werden nicht checken, wie geil das ist. Die werden nicht checken, wie geil Deutscher ist.
Namiss ko tuloy yung kabataan. Kung kabataan. Ito yung cake.
Last ng 7th birthday.
Okay,
Kasi may hotdog na may marshmallow.
Na nakatusok
Yun,
sa...
pinya.
Bakit sa akin sa repolyo?
Huh? Repolyo?
Pinya yun.
Sorry.
Sa amin sa
Hindi
mayaman
mayaman.
yung sa banana.
Ay, wait.
Pakwan.
Oo.
Huh?
Ba't may tutusok?
Pakwan, B. Sa pakwan.
Saan nakatusok? Eh, hindi. Eh, ano kay Tad? For sure, pinya yan.
Sa pakwan, baliw.
Ang
Sorry na kanya, pakuhan.
So sa amin ano lang yung sa banana.
What? Sumigaw! What? Sumigaw! What?
yung lugar kasi namin, pinya lugar. Pinyahan.
Pinya lugar. Sa amin kasi Repolyo.
Sa amin sa buko.
Pero meron din sa Repolyo, diba?
I-drill mo pa bago mo itusok.
Hindi daw sa buong ilog na puno.
Bakal kasi yun.
Sa sagyat pa sila.
Hindi lang sa strawberry. Strawberry nakatusok.
Saan natusok?
Sa strawberry.
Have you ever tried that?
Oh,
Nakatusok sa my birthday.
I mean, your parents are Filipino, so
hotdog.
hot dogs on sticks
Tapos marshmallow.
with marshmallows.
No, I haven't tried. But that's weird.
You're not a real Filipino.
Good,
Really?
good.
Okay, I'm gonna ask my parents tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
If I get, where can I get
Or
it? It's like
maybe
street food?
or June
It's like
7.
street, it's like street food?
No.
Birthday party food.
Yeah, they make it.
Okay.
Homemade.
Sa grapes.
Tapos ano, itutusok siya sa pinya. Pag mayaman sa pinya.
Ay, wait.
Wait
Sa
lang,
akin,
yan.
sa akin, Repolyo.
Baka kung ano na may
Kaya, kung ano
available.
yung may tusukan.
Oo. Sumutusok pa sa'yo.
Ah, sige ba?
Damn!
What?
You also want some?
Habang,
Pwede ba magpatugtog pa nagla-live? Bawal.
pwede yata.
Di ba copyright?
But I think copyright.
Pwede yung ano, free music.
Or our music.
Eh,
You think it's okay?
Ayaw ka. Oh, Repolyo din kanila.
Guys, wait,
Yung lugar kasi namin, pinya.
Wait, I'll be right back.
Nakatira kayo sa pinya?
Hindi yung SpongeBob ka.
Parang kuha ng...
Kamag-anak mo si SpongeBob.
Kuha ng...
Puro Tagalog, guys! What about English people?
Yung kamar niya sorted.
O, same naman daw kayo sa banana na tuso. Sa sagi?
Okay.
Oo, yung katawan.
Katawan.
Favorite song ko yan, favorite.
Bro, the first time
Wait!
we heard
Sa
the
upo daw
demo,
pwede?
Upo, ulit naman nun.
Maliit na upo. Mali mo malaki yung upo sa kanila. Where's the beehive? Hey, Ate Ana is looking for you.
behind?
Why are you a beehive? I thought you're away.
Or did you mix it?
Oh,
Na-enjoy niyo po yung music video na to, yung nag-shoot tayo.
Oh, I felt
Ako
so...
din.
I
Naisip
felt
ko na,
so pressured, bro. I felt so
parang
pressured.
masarap sa feeling. Parang masarap sa feeling.
It's cool.
I didn't enjoy.
Bakit?
Kasi ang ine-expect ko, mga, ano muna, ano tawag doon? Image? Image shots muna. Eh, pinasayaw tayo
sayaw
agad.
agad.
Hindi ako nag-stretching. So, namumulikat ako dyan sa takes na yan, mga takes na yan.
Oo nga, biglaan yan. Tapos pawis-pawis na kagad. Pero masaya.
Can you guys still hear us with the music?
Ay! Nabubutas yung shorts ko dun eh.
Oo nga pala.
God! Hanggang ngayon, parang iba.
Wilson,
But
best...
the editing is good.
Kaya nga.
Ano yung music?
Saka yung mga outfit natin.
Yeah, I like that.
Wilson, best dein Lieblings-Deutsch-Rapper? Mein Lieblings-Deutsch-Rapper ist, Susalaen. Und ich mag auch...
Iba pa itsura mo dyan, Maki.
Iba nga.
Mukha ka pang Maki dyan. Ay, di ba akong Mark Vincent?
Pero payat na ako dyan. Payat na.
Pwede ka nga.
Pero yung mata mo iba. Nagpagawa po kasi ng mata si Maki.
Pinalitan niya.
Wilson, you deserve every good things in life. Thank you, Rhea. Thank you. Thank you so much. Liebe eure TikTok Bros. Danke, Amy, für den Herz. naging MV reaction.
True.
That is so orange, bro.
Oh, I remember I was so inggit because you did all of you four. You made the
Hi Jasmine, hi Jasmine.
Tawag doon, reaction video. Yeah. Because I was sick. I had chicken pox.
I had a reaction video of us four. For some
Tapos sinend niyo pa sa GC. Ano ba pipil ko doon? Hindi, joke lang.
Really?
Yeah, but
Sorry.
I didn't watch it because I'm gonna cry.
But we liked it first time, but I was very could have been better.
No, I feel like we were surprised when we watched this because it's really our first time when we watched it.
Yeah, it was.
Unlike
That's why.
Ghost, we had some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why it was the first.
Hindi nila ako rinig, guys. Malakas yung sound.
Really?
Really?
Ha? Ay, rinig niyo ba ako?
Oh.
Thank you, Karen.
Ay, wait.
Thank you, Anna. Asan po Wilson? Asan po? Where is Wilson? I am here, guys. Hallo. Ich habe jetzt Lust auf Kuchen. Komm, hier gibt's genug. Ich bin schon voll. Nach einem Stück. Nicht mal fertig gegessen. Wilson, love you. I hope you're always happy and healthy. Thank you so much, JC. I love you. Oh, I miss you guys. We miss you too, Princess.
Miss you, Princess.
Ay, hindi na-release yun, no?
Wilson Vans.
Wilson, upload mo yung reaction video.
In Deutsch. Also ich bin in Deutschland, keine Ahnung wann, aber hoffentlich bald mit der ganzen Gruppe.
Wala akong file. Guys, gusto nyo po press 1 guys kung gusto nyo marinig yung version ng English version ng The Day We Meet Again.
I have it on my phone, but it's loud.
Meron din natin.
I think it's okay.
Guys, baka makulong. Baka makulong tayo.
Nakamakulong tayo.
Ah, for real?
But it's our song.
Pero hindi siya publicly release.
It's just a different version.
Okay.
Kuya Bakar, yes, we are right now in Busan.
Busan.
But do you have
Nasa-
the English?
Ubusan.
Oh, I love the English version, really. So
Can't
much.
you pretend?
Both versions are really
On the day we meet again, wanna see you smile. And then I forget the
good.
next.
So,
Wala na.
Wherever you may
Mag me type just like the day.
please don't let my hand go.
Hanggang nalimutan mo.
When the day becomes hot, I'll be the light that shines away. And then
I'll be the breeze to cool your day.
breeze,
breeze.
a breeze.
Is
I'll
the
be the
one.
breeze that
No, no, no.
cool your day.
Wilson, where's the B?
Ang BX.
Ah,
Is it Beyonce?
is it the chocolate thing? The chocolate with the cream inside?
Ah!
Is it that?
I feel like that's it.
This is really good. I actually tried it.
Ah,
already.
yun.
I tried it
That's-
already. Because it looks so
Pero pala.
tempting. It looks so
I
tempting.
thought
Bro,
he
it
was
looks so.
referring to you.
Ah.
I thought you're the beehive.
I also
Like,
thought
this-
behind. Bro, it's really good. I tried it already. I couldn't wait. Oh yeah, let's listen to that.
Wait, are we allowed to go?
Siguro baka hindi
Cut.
man cut.
Dapat cut.
Oh, cut.
5 seconds each.
Okay.
Chorus.
Only chorus.
The chorus, guys. No, free chorus.
Huh?
Free chorus.
Because you like it.
Oh, cut!
No,
Okay.
no, I think
No, we can't.
4-8. 2-1.
Gail,
One.
you're
Sorry.
Oh, okay, go.
One time.
Oh, cut!
No matter how many
Chorus.
days.
Okay, 1, go.
Ay.
Wanna see you smile on a summer night.
Ang ganda nga.
Yeah, it was really
But
good.
we were supposed to
And this was-
release it.
This was the first take. This was the first.
Yeah.
And then we did Tagalog.
Yeah.
Don't ever say goodbye, please. Don't let my head go.
Wait, the rap.
On the rap.
Pwede ba i-perform yun?
What if?
On the day
Tanong natin si Bulls. So nice.
Now, alam niyo na kung bakit the day we meet again. Kasi yung bagay lyrics niya.
Dapat yung pag-Tagalog, ano?
Tama na, makukulong na tayo.
But I feel like it would have been the best if they mix it Tagalog and English. Bro, that would hit different, I think. Really.
Perform it.
Tagalog
Tagalog
and
English.
Oh, that would
Do
crazy.
you want to?
Bro, I really want to. It
Do
would
you
really...
guys want us to perform English Tagalog?
Pero
Day
ito
we
si
meet
song
again?
naman talaga natin yan, hindi lang lyrics.
Because it's supposed
Mas
to be an
prefer ko
LP.
English.
Yeah.
I think if it mixes...
Kasi
it
yun
would
yung
be
bang pinagandaan natin eh. Kasi
Yeah.
Sa tier 1, tara.
Let's go.
Totoo ba?
Why not?
Wilson, chat mo si Bulls. Ay, joke lang.
But I could honestly... Bro,
Hindi ko wala na siyang pag
Yay!
guys, what's your movie for Wilson?
Mas okay din yung ano dito. Compressed.
Yeah, me too.
Yes! Na-proud.
Yes!
Ikaw ba dance?
Mas damang eh.
Auto-tune.
No! Don't expose yourself! No!
No, it's manual tuning. It's flex pitch.
Hindi sa...
Oh, it's Melodyne.
Mas pinractice natin yung English. Tapos nung i-record na yung for MV, dapat nito, Tagalog yung ni-record natin. Tapos yun yung nilabas Tagalog.
Ayun, di ba?
Dapat ano lang ka? Alala mo?
Nakaupo lang?
Hindi. Kasi for...
Kaya mo, Mafel. Kaya mo. I love you. I don't feel it anymore.
I don't feel it anymore. I feel like it's too much. I don't know how to finish. I want to eat that ice cream.
I think I just drink it for... Oh, one?
Ay, let's see.
Okay.
Or roulette?
You decide. It's your birthday.
Okay.
Oh,
damn, the people are still here watching, bro. Still
I
watching us.
haven't feel this way.
Yes, 1 a.m.
Hanggang alas 3 na yata tong live nyo.
Ay,
Alas
Nacho.
12. Alas 12.
Maganda po yun, alas 12. Kanta ng Alista.
13. Kahit at 3. Alas 3.
3 a.m.
Alas
Until
3.
3 a.m.
Alas 3 is 13. Right?
Ano?
Alas 3. Alas 3 is 3. Alas 3. Meron palang alas 3.
She said, Naju said 1 a.m.
Alas 12.
She said 1
Alay
a.m.
mo, military.
Ah,
Alas 3 eh.
oh no, it's not moving. Alas 3.
Tawa-tawa
Ay,
ka po,
dyan na,
joke.com ha. Grabe naman ang panyo.
Alas 13.
Tarata.
Tulog na tayo ha. Nanginig kami sa
I
Billboard
hear you on the Chinese platform.
PH. Huy!
Oh, really?
Thank you po. Shishi.
Shishi. Can you show it to me, please?
Yes, yeah.
Tulog na tayo.
Guys, okay lang yan.
Wala na. Asa PP.
From Billboard.
Ah.
Billboard, billboard, billboard.
I think it's Glenn Wilson. Wait.
Uy, top 3 tayo dun, di ba?
Ano daw?
Top 3 tayo sa
Yeah,
Billboard.
congratulations, New Days.
Thank you po.
Congrats, New Days.
Guys,
Sabay-sabay tayo magpalaki ng eye bags.
For the moment,
Let's end the line, let's end the line.
No.
Pero game, dali.
Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you.
Happy birthday! I didn't see.
Napagod ba kayo mag-refresh tsaka mag-vote?
Rock, paper, scissors. What?
Oh.
John, why? It's my birthday. Come on.
so what?
It's once in a lifetime.
By age na lang, by age.
Ano ba yung age? O sige.
Okay, first or the young? The old?
Middle.
Who goes
First.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ay,
Come on!
Di nga si Wilson eh.
Ay, wait lang. Kasali ka.
Bakit ako kasali?
Kung sino yung
Ako
matatalo, sino yung matatalo. Siya yung kala ni Wilson. Oh, game. So, isa lang yung ano. Game.
Wala ba't ganon?
G.
Hindi, lahat to.
Lahat do, may mga huli lang.
Dapat isa lang.
Lahat do.
Parang,
Puro ka ba na naman po yung mga anak ko?
Why no one wants to play? Why no one wants to play with me?
Kaya, birthday naman ni Wilson eh.
Happy birthday naman ni Wilson.
You hear what he said? Okay, now, no. Now you have to. Because you didn't even want it to play in the
Yeah,
first
nga.
place.
Ako okay lang, di ko.
No, it's okay. You didn't even want it to play in first place. In the first place.
Kaya ikaw na.
That's why. You first.
Nakaligtas si Tatsa Pepe game.
Look.
Hindi po, gusto ko din po sumali.
Where?
Ano?
Kalaban ko si Wilson.
I swear, I'm not gonna cut.
Si siya muna.
I'm not.
Hindi, jatin po eh.
Perfect, di nila ako naririnig.
Kayo mo ng, ano,
bakit
bunso.
ako?
Kayo mo ng bunso, bago ako.
Ano ka nalaman ko? Hindi mo.
Okay guys, habang nag-aaway po
Hindi
sila.
ako bunso!
Sino po ang gusto?
I swear, I'm not gonna talk.
Kalaban niyo po ay birthday po.
No one's blaming me.
Boy.
Isa pa.
Talo ka, bunso
Ayan,
ka.
nag-aaway na po sila.
Oh, panalo ako.
Hindi, talo ka.
Ang sabi ko nila ay, si Jomat si El.
Hindi, ano muna yung time, dalawa muna.
Ang ingay niyo mga anak.
Bakit? Bakit ako na, ano ulit?
Nag-aaway-aaway na
Talo
sila.
ako eh.
Hindi nila sa bahay.
Talo ka.
Hindi.
Guys, Raya.
Guys, currently, marami na pong
Sabi ko gano'n, no? Oh, bato ako. Ikaw, si...
away ng away. Mag-disband na lang.
Oh, hindi ka na una.
Okay.
Mag-disband na lang guys. Huwag na mag-prepare
Ayan
game.
to. May bispal nyo. Daya, oh. Kiss.
What? It's not about kissing, bro. It's not kissing. It's not kissing.
It's about kissing.
Who, mine first?
Gusto nyo kasi kissing.
Is it like that? Like,
It's not a kiss. It's like
Okay.
how much you can get. Like,
without touching.
It's a break.
O, ito, ano na, sure na to.
If you touch,
Hindi.
Maiba.
Tama ka na.
Maiba.
Tama ka na.
if you touch or not, it's a different story.
Dali
But-
na kay KJ, mga
Let
lintik.
the other person like that. Like the other person's holding it. And the other person. Why?
Why do you want to do this?
Why?
Then just eat.
Hindi po, puro ka ba sila? Puro ka ba?
Hindi, maiba muna.
Madaya.
Ito,
Tama,
sure na to.
naiinis
Sure
na
na to.
ako.
Play with me.
Because your games, why do you play these games?
It's a celebration party. You don't play games at a party.
Let's just play, ano, like, Poseidos, why not like that?
Oh, really? You don't want to play with me?
Oh, you play na
Pag si Jom na una.
Kaaway pa
Ikaw
yun.
nga natalo.
Ito, sure na to. Maiba. Sure na to.
Everyone's gonna play with me.
Oo, okay na.
Ay, ikaw, hindi siya.
Mag-away na lang.
Sure na to. Okay, yun na to.
No,
Birthday mo, bakit ka magbibigyan?
Ako nandyan si Tad sila ni Wilson na una for sure. Matik.
Ang sabi mo, Tan?
Wala, naglalag na ako. Wait lang, bagal ang wifi ko dito.
Tara na.
So, bumalik, ayaw yung kalat nyo, ha?
Let's go, let's go.
We want you, it's just...
Uwi na nga, ito nga yung gusto eh.
Bakit? Natalo ka na. Natalo ka na. How long do you have to stand here?
Pag si Maki.
Mike, you don't wanna go first?
Kaso, sino? Paano yung sunod? Ano yun?
Eh di ba?
Kayong dalawa, sige.
Kami
Kayong dalawa sunod ah. Kayong dalawa. Kayong dalawa yung partner.
Birthday ba na?
Bakit ka mag-aaral?
Birthday ba na?
Ang rules. Ano yun?
Kayong dalawa yung partner, bakit?
Okay, okay.
Okay, mas kayong dalawa yung partner. Ano? May pa? O, sige.
Listen mo, Bilo!
Napakadaya nito! Duy! Napakadaya na!
Listen mo na!
Bawal na!
Ito kasi apakadaldal eh. Nabigyan mo pa siya ng idea.
Ang pula-pula!
Tawan-tawa siya eh.
Madaya kayo na!
Maiba. Oh.
Maiba. Kaya,
Oh.
Wow, I know I want to play
Oh,
with me!
ikaw, Be, kasi mas malaki kamay mo. Ikaw na, ikaw.
Ano kinalaman?
Maiba tayo eh. Ikaw mas malaki yung kamay.
May ikaw pinakamaliit yung kamay, dalawa yung malaki kamay.
Oh.
maiba.
Maiba!
Kinikilig ka na agad. Wala pa.
Ayoko nga!
Genge.
Oh, to play?
Maiba. Kaya, maiba. Kaya,
Nawala si Tan!
Because nasa lang internet.
Why does no one? Guys, tell me no one wants to play with me!
maiba. Kaya,
Madaya! Well, no one's to play? No one's to play!
maiba. Kaya,
Oh, ikaw na to. Nakaganon ka oh. Tapos kami nakaganon.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can just pick one. Don't take the chocolate side, take the dry side. At your part. I swear I'm not gonna...
Happy birthday!
I'm not gonna touch you! I'm not gonna... Makikita ko yung sa live pag nagdayaan kayong dalawa.
Wala.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Hindi mo siya makikita.
I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not gonna... Really, I swear I'm not gonna... Okay.
Hey!
I know, in your mouth. No, in your mouth. I go.
Okay.
Just hold it like as small as you can. Yeah.
Why do you do it like that?
What? But that's a lot. Oh, there's a lot. Okay.
Giljom layag! Giljom layag!
magbigyan na magbigyan.
Keep it!
Keep here.
He do it like this, bro. Like,
What? Okay, this is drum. Oh, this is drum. Okay, who's next?
Wala, tapos na.
Tapos na. Guys, thank you for watching. Happy birthday, Vincent. Let's end the live.
kayo ng dalawa. Silang dalawa.
No.
Silang dalawa.
Bisa mo na magbatapos.
Who's
Dali
next?
na.
Endline na.
I'm so red.
Topic.
G.
Topic. Oh, ikaw na. Ikaw na to. Nakita nyo guys, bato ako siya scissors.
Wait. Because I'm the birthday kid, right? That's why I have to.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you do it now.
No!
Ah, okay.
You're the birthday boy.
Okay.
Yo, ganyan ginagawa niyo.
Wait. Oh.
Ito. Hey!
This is not. Ano? No, but still.
Si Diyos na.
Charge na.
Ako na.
Okay. Okay. Pick your card. It took everything away. No, I'm not gonna.
Wala nang kakagat
You
yun.
already touch your mouth. You already touch your mouth. Eat it now. It's different. Okay.
Wait, I don't like physical touch. Don't touch me.
No, that will Okay.
Sabi ako masasama. Wait.
No,
Did you eat it?
It broke. Drop, okay?
Here's mine. I think I won.
I think also, wait.
Wait, what's my prize?
Isa pa daw.
No.
Can we turn the camera? How to turn other? Okay.
Si Tad naman daw, si Tad.
Wow, look at the cake.
So the right one is John. The middle one is Maki, left one. Yeah, I think you won, really.
Yeah, look.
I think you won, yeah.
This is me.
But
This
it broke.
is me.
But it broke. I don't know if it counts. If it does, it does count. Bombe Kuchen, Bruder. Oh, Leon, Bruder. Vermisse dich. Leon, Ehrenmann. Okay. Okay, we're back. Wir sind zurück. What did the people say?
Si Tad naman daw.
Is it that?
How?
Virtual face.
Pwede wala lang nga siya.
Ah, danke, Leon. Liebe dich, Bruder. Leon, ich liebe dich. Okay. Okay, they were just like. Ayun na.
Ayan, pa-accept daw.
No, is it from there?
Maybe it's Bluetooth.
Hey guys, happy birthday to me. Thank you for watching, you guys. We love you. Okay? What's that? Danim, can you hear me?
Nawala lang ako kung ano mga pinaggagawa ninyo. Puro ka ba?
20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes. And then love you mix well, babe. _0. Tuesday, Diana.
Papablatter ko yan sila.
Kasi di ka sinali.
ASMR mode, yeah. ASMR mode. Yeah. Pretty late for them, right? They go to Saturday.
Yeah, it's Monday.
Pero wala naman atong pa.
Nakaligtas ako, guys.
Sayang talaga.
May biljong naman.
Kahit walang pepero pa yan, nak. Hindi na need ng pepero.
C.
Is that right? ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás,
Puro
mi
stress.
amigo? Hola. Mi amo, él. Ayúdenme. Spanish. I learned that from Dora. Ayúdenme.
What? I really like you guys. We really like you. Funny? Funny. We love you, Funny. Happy birthday, Wisdom. Thank you, her. Thank you so much. Willst du am besten Lieblingssänger oder Sängerin in Deutsch? In Deutsch? In Deutsch? I think Rapper. Ich glaube, nur Lieblingssänger? Ich mag Crow. Crow mag ich. Mir fällt gerade keiner ein. William Happy birthday.
since ikaw ang nanalo, you have to kiss. Sorry. Wala eh. Yun talaga eh. Kiss? You have to guys kiss.
Di ba ikaw yung nanalo?
Hindi ako nanalo.
Ikaw yung nanalo.
Putol kasi yung amin eh.
Ikaw yung
Ikaw
nanalo.
lang yung buo eh.
Dali, kiss mo.
I mean, kung mas maikli ako, I would
Dali
kiss
na.
you, but
Tagal!
putol eh. Wala eh. Yun talaga yung rules eh. Sorry.
Cool. Guys, matulog na tayo. Joyce, are you tired already?
Magtutuwas na yung live.
Yeah, sure. Do you guys want to go to sleep now? You can finish if you want.
Night.
Guys, Takchi next.
Dakchi.
Takchi.
Ah!
Is it
It's
the-
my game.
Is it the chuk?
Yeah.
Nagtimpla na ng kape si Maki.
Bad in this game.
Sana kung merong ano, P-Pop Olympics. Sana may Dakchi.
Oh!
Si-
Olympics, bro. Oh, I'm gonna put
Kung na to sa Dakchi na to.
I'm gonna destroy. Ito, what is it for like house fitness? Ito, this is
Sana may taekwondo saan.
Bro, that would be cool, taekwondo.
But how?
I think you will win, bro.
Hindi siya lang naman naglalaro.
Pinasok yun, hindi naglalaro.
Sa pari.
Shake me the photo. Oh, shake me the dress.
Maki, namumula ka na.
Thank you, Bea. Thank you, salamat. Miss you, John. See you sa next one. I miss you too. Thanks so much.
Easy mo.
Pahingin ng cake. How?
Bro, I was reading key.
Cake. Cake.
Cake.
Cake.
See you sa blackout. Oh, is this
June
14? 14?
See you po!
See you on 14.
Sure na ba yun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ask it, and yeah.
Yeah.
Nagpapakit siya.
His mic is muted. Thought your mic is muted.
Ayan, hindi na.
Okay.
Nagtimpla na naman ng kape si Maki.
Really?
Pride yun, Sprite. Hindi ako makakatulog pa ng kape pa.
Ah,
What language can you speak? I can speak
ikaw lang tayo magpa-practice nung ano.
a little bit. So, basics.
No, I
Basics.
have no. I can't converse with.
Basic also. No, yes.
Ah, but I forgot no.
Oh,
I only know.
Oo nga, no, anong pasalubong ko sa kanila? Ano gusto niyo pasalubong? Except kiss.
No, I use Pawis.
Bagnet, baka pumutok-batok nyo guys.
No. May banana ba din?
Meron.
Basta ano
Banana.
kailangan vegan food.
Sarap. Sarap yun.
Pero makunat na yun, baliw. Cornic. Ano ba gusto niyo?
Favorite yun.
Cornic na cheese.
Cornic?
May ganun, di ba?
Hanap ako, sige. Gusto niyo yung pag may tinaas na gano'n? Ano tawag doon? Buto.
Kabayo daw tan.
Ano?
Kabayo daw.
Kalaysa na lang, kalaysa.
O kaya ano, bricks.
Ano yun? Bricks?
Yung bricks sa ano sa sahig.
Uwian ko kayo simbahan.
No, it's good. It's my
Gusto niyo windmill?
Yay! Meron na ako. Ang ref magnet daw.
Sige.
Di ba ito?
7. Dala ko Yaya. Yaya! Wow!
I love
Is that Yaya the inside is Uber?
Yeah.
Oh,
Also Mascobado.
Oh, yeah.
But it's the theme of yeah.
Ano yun? Piyaya?
Oh, Yaya.
Yung nagdadala daw sa pinsa. Oh.
Oo.
Yun yung masarap sa
Cup sleeve yun, di ba?
Oh,
Yes,
look,
cup
look.
sleeve, cup sleeve. Oh, thank you, Tala! Happy birthday, Tala! Woo!
Nice.
Wow! I saw Tala in the cinema.
Ah, yes. Cool. Did you take a picture?
Yeah. But
Did the cashier
it was
recognize
like,
you?
no, it was like, who are you?
That's me! That's me right there!
That's me. Wilson, wann machst du wieder ein Live? Wahrscheinlich morgen auf meinem Privataccount.
Gising pa daw admin ng Tala by Kyle.
Sino, ba't po gising pa po kayo? Eh, kasi nag-work hard sila, eh.
Wilson, I miss you so much. Take care always. I miss you, Rhea. Thank you. Always take care. Draw me some Thunder Dance cover. Wann ist euer Debütdatum? Unser Debütdatum?
25. July
25. Juli 2024. Ja, und wir haben schon Debüt vor fast einem Jahr. Wait on me by Kai Dance Challenge, please! Actually, we tried it today, but it is a very, very
so
mahirap.
hard.
It's very hard.
We'll try again tomorrow.
John, please say Chicharon. Chicharon.
Hey!
Chicharon. Ich muss jetzt oft bei. Ich wünsche dir einen schönen Geburtstag. Dankeschön, Diana. Pass auf dich auf. Komm morgen zu meinem Livestream. Ich gehe morgen auf meinem Privataccount live. Yellow Basket. I miss you. See you. I miss you, Carrie. Carrie Lee. I miss
There's a lot of
Ja, könnt ihr mich bitte grüßen, heißt Sarah. She wants us to greet her. Say, ich grüße dich, Sarah.
Ich grüße dich,
dich,
Sarah.
Wir grüßen dich, Sarah. Pass auf dich auf. Sprichst du gerne Deutsch? Ich liebe Deutsch reden, wirklich. Ich bin ehrlich. Morgen werde ich wieder live gehen und werde mehr Deutsch sprechen. Also da kannst du mir mehr schreiben. Nee. Promote your announcements on Moore Globe, GA Tower and Robinson City. Oh. I would have, what is it called? It's like
LED billboard.
Yeah, LED billboard at Moa, Globe, GA Tower, and Robinson Safe. Woo! I'm gonna be insane. No, for real.
Good for the picture.
Yeah. Birthday. No! What's up? What's up? What's dein Account? Mein Account ist whatever Wilson. Whatever Wilson.
LDR yung pasitan. Yes.
He has an account, whatever Wilson. Of TikTok. Pick one member to do an Egyo Wilson. Okay. El!
I do it? I thought together.
Together?
I don't know, what did you say?
Galing.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 7
Paano tayo mag-heart?
more. Ano dapat kasama si Tatsar? Ganun ka na lang tayo.
FaceTime here.
Ganyan. Anong plano?
Ipa-FaceTime ka namin.
Ah, sige.
Ito lang yung ano ko, nasabi ko ba yun? Ano sabi ko?
Alin?
Yung ano ko, palayaw. Galing ni Butch.
Si Butch. Alo?
Sabi mo,
Ano kwento natin yan? Birthday mo?
Ah,
Sa DNM.
yun na lang si Tad.
Sabi ko nga.
Butch. Alam nila pati paano yung spell. Butch.
Namumula si Maki, guys.
Basta ako ng kape.
Hirap pala na LDR, nak.
Ano sabi ko pala? Sorry, patawarin niyo ako. Minsan, bakit si Dus? Merk du Reden Dus Dus oder
English.
Deutsch.
Wat magst du mehr als du in Deutsch oder Englisch?
Oo, puti lang talaga ako.
It means what I like more. Is German or of course, natürlich Deutsch, weil ich meine,
Dad nickname, Totoy.
also ich bin gezwungen Englisch zu reden. Also Deutsch rede ich viel mehr gerne.
Birthday gift from members. Kiss.
love.
Oh really, Kiss? Okay.
No, just love.
Pepero game.
What?
No, just love you. Kiss.
No, Kiss. We just love it.
Yeah, so yes, love.
Parang
Hindi. Sorry na, malapit na ba? 5
Monday,
minutes.
bro. It's Monday.
Ala, oo nga.
Yeah, it's Tuesday.
Tuesday now.
Pablatter niya yan sila.
Yeah, now it's Tuesday.
Oh, ayan. Okay ka dun.
Monday, Tuesday.
It's really your birthday now.
Saturday, Sunday.
Is the will, Josh? Hala, sino tong nireplyan ko?
Tut mir leid, wenn mein Deutsch ein bisschen komisch ist oder tut mir leid, so lange von Deutsch geredet. Hello, what happened? No.
No.
Der arbeitet gezwungen, Englisch zu reden. Ja, leider.
Humihilig na yung kasama ko. Rinig niyo ba?
Ilik reveal.
Ay, wait lang, si kuya yun.
Kinikini review.
Sino daw nag-birthday, kakapasok niyo lang. Siya po.
It's my birthday. Birthday.
Magpe-FaceTime ba?
Check mo top viewers na.
I talk to viewers. Her, Dr. Kobe, Miss Maya. Oh, Maya! Hello, Maya! Hello, her.
Hello, Dr. Kobe. Hello, Miss Maya.
Maya.
Hello, Josie31. Hello, Trisha. Hello, Echo. Hello, Nigel. Hello, Lolly Raya. Don't let go of that cheer. Jill, Rails, Mads, Tiana, Tina, Jenny.
Ikaw kasi.
Hello.
Ikaw kasi!
Dad.
What do I do?
Hey.
I don't want to go back. I can read your comment. No? Time is it?
Untok na si Jom.com daw.
I saw it. Oh.
Ready na kami gumawa ng bagong fan chant.
Guys, what if gawan nyo na din yung fan chant yung
Yung
ER.
How does it go?
It's up to you guys.
Oo nga, no?
Isip matulog na may work to do.
2 minutes na lang!
I'll be there, be
Nagawa
there.
na pa lang nila. Hindi nyo pinaperform.
Binigyan niyo pa sila ng bagong assignment.
Okay, I saw it. Yeah.
You do that top. How about that? You make a heart.
What was it?
Yay.
Saan nagdikit sa... Ano?
I think it doesn't look so good.
Hindi nakapokus kasi. Sinundot yung ilong. Woo! Birthday!
Birthday!
Go!
Post na, post na.
Yeah, okay.
Salo-salo.
Listen, post.
Oppose? Oppose.
Si Jom Baron.
Woo! Happy birthday,
Birthday, Wilson!
Happy birthday, Wilson.
Thank you po sa pag-nood nyo.
Ingat po.
Good night, loves.
Thank you for watching.
Bubuwas.
Good night, Yorobot.
Thank you for watching.
Ingat, thank you po sa sana po
We love you, New
presentation
Days.
bukas.
See you po sa pag-nood.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night. Sleep well.
Hey, ASMR.
I think we will see each other very soon.
Hey.
Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.